Hey everyone! If you own a store or manage an office, you already know how important it is to have reliable, secure doors. They're the first thing your customers and employees see, and they keep your business safe. But when something goes wrong, a door won't close, the lock jams, or the hinges are loose, it can disrupt your entire day. That's where HighGate comes in. When it comes to commercial door repair services, HighGate is simply the best. Here's why. First, HighGate understands that every minute counts in business. Their team responds quickly, so you're never left waiting for days to get your doors fixed. They know how critical it is to keep your store or office running smoothly. Second, their technicians are true experts. Whether it's glass doors, metal doors, automatic entrances, or heavy-duty locks, HighGate has seen it all and fixed it all. No problem is too big or too small. They use high-quality parts, and their repairs are built to last, so you won't have to worry about repeat issues. Third, HighGate puts customer service first. They listen to what you need, explain your options clearly, and always make sure you're satisfied with the work before they leave. It's not just about fixing doors, it's about making your life easier and your business more secure. So if your commercial door needs repair, don't settle for less. Trust the experts at HighGate. Give them a call today at 212-860-5477 and let them take care of your store or office doors so you can focus on what matters most, your business.